I joined Team 3044 to get a better outlook on what life would be like as an engineer.
Well, first of all, because I really like science and math, and also my friend joined, so I thought that would make it even more fun.
I was kind of reluctant to join First Robotics, but my mom kind of really wanted me to join some kind of a club, and the only choice for me was First Robotics, and I'm very glad that I joined it now.
Well, I joined robotics not only because I do like science and technology, but my AP Chem teacher thought it would be a really good thing to get involved in, and it turns out she was right.
So I joined robotics because I was really interested in technology and where it's going. And I tried joining a couple of years ago, but I wasn't too interested. So I decided senior year I would join up with one of my friends, and then we would stick through it and see how it worked out.
There are many different people involved in our first robotics team. There are mentors, students, and Nemos.
Well, obviously there's a lot of engineering work, mechanical building the robot, wiring the robot, programming the robot. But there's also a public relations side with business and photography, making videos, designing the website, etc. So really is something for everybody.
The students in the club all come from different backgrounds, but we all leave as one cohesive team.
Pretty much everything. There are obviously the serious times where you do work hard, but we also have a lot of fun joking around with our mentors and each other.
Everything is fun about it. The technical aspect, the getting to know people, working with others. It's just a really fun time in robotics.
Really, it's a lot of fun joining robotics, and it's, what time will you get the chance to play with robots for fun, and then pit your robots up against everybody else's robot?
It gives you an opportunity to explore engineering, science careers, but so much more than that. It's essentially a small business operating within the school.
I really look forward to meetings for all the Mountain Dew that I get to drink.
Robots are cool. Competition was amazing.
The competition is a really fun time. There's a lot of music, a lot of lights. There's just a ton of people there. You get to meet a lot of people on the other teams, and you get to work with them. You put on alliances with other teams from all around the world, and also being the driver of this year's robot, it was just a whole new experience from last year. I was so much more involved in the competition, and it was a lot of fun.
The competition is crazy. It's really busy, but it's a great time. You do a lot of work, get to meet a lot of new people from all around the world.
I learned a lot this past season. I learned everything from the technical aspects of the robot to how to be a leader.
I learned a lot during robotics, and I thought I was pretty technologically advanced, but once I really started work on the robot, there's a lot of stuff that I realized I didn't know, and a lot of technical things I learned.
I learned a lot. I didn't really have any technical experience coming into this, but I've definitely gained a lot of knowledge and also learned about PR and other stuff like that.
Being on the robotics team has taught me a lot about leadership, as well as the technical aspects of the robot itself.
You'll get a much different perspective than what you're seeing in a pure math or pure science or even a technology course.
Do it. It's a lot of fun, and the experience is unforgettable. The people you meet are incredible.
I would say that First Robotics is a ton of fun, and you will learn a lot about robots, about technology and programming, and there's really something for everybody that you can learn and apply in your career ahead of you.
I'd say that even if you're on the fence about joining, you should give it a shot because there really is something for everybody.
You should definitely do it because it's great, and if you like Mountain Dew, we have a lot of it. And if you make it to championships, you get to meet people like Morgan Freeman, see the Black Eyed Peas in concert, so it's definitely a great time.
You should join First Robotics.